continue. Watch out for black holes. Are you getting too close to a black hole? Steer away quickly or you can be sucked into it. A black hole is a core of a massive star that just exploded. After it explodes, the star collapses back to itself. The collapsing center of the star has strong gravity. It pulls in all surrounding matter and energy. It is called a black hole because even light can't escape on it. Search of planets. Do you see planets orbiting the stars? Even every star might have planets orbiting it. Astronomers use special tools to find faraway planets. They look for wobble in the way a star moves. They can look for a change in the star's brightness. Wobbling and dimming gives astronomers clues. The clues tell them that a planet is circling a star. Some stars have more than just one planet orbiting it, similar to our sun. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star that's not our sun. Most exoplanets that we know are just big or bigger than Saturn and Jupiter. But some small exoplanets are the size of Earth. Scientists keep finding more and more about exoplanets in deep space. The when in exoplanet, the ones we know about orbit were very close to the star. They're too hot for human beings to visit. Soaring with the galaxies. You can spend a long time looking through at the stars in deep space, but stop. Take a look where you've been. You've been looking at the stars of the Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a large group of stars. There is also interstellar gas and dust between the stars. All is held together by gravity. The Milky Way galaxy is one more than 125 billion galaxies in the universe. Some galaxies might have a few million stars. Others have billions. Others have trillions. The Milky Way is more than 100 billion stars, but the Andromeda galaxy, Milky Way's neighbor, has 1 trillion, which also maybe has the same number as our cells in our body. Rev up your engines. You're going to go across the Milky Way. It's a long way to travel. Going to the speed of light, it'll take you 100,000 years to cross the Milky Way. By the time dozens of people have just been passed out. So that's the smartest choice either. Do you know that the Milky Way is shaped like a disc? You see the bulge in the middle. You see the orange star. The orange spiral is like a pinwheel through the bulge. That's why the Milky Way is called a spiral galaxy. Galaxies come in 3 shapes: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Now set your sights on another spiral galaxy. It's Andromeda. It's the nearest galaxy to Earth. It's very far away. It's 2 million light years from your home Earth. But it was heading towards ours, 4 billion years from now, our galaxy is going to collide with Andromeda and form maybe a catchy name like Mildromeda or whatever. Scientists maybe are still naming it. You see here, this is a spiral, and here it's a supermassive black hole, so we're not talking about much. You see its arms? We currently live on the Orion arm of the Milky Way, which has the Orion constellation. Well, elliptical was mostly shaped like an egg, an egg. but it still classifies a galaxy. Irregular doesn't make any shape with this one. It goes random, you know. After you visit the Andromeda galaxy, keep going. You pass billions of more galaxies. Just as you saw stars in clusters, you see galaxies cluster too. So this is just a picture of the Milky Way. Maybe you're mortal because if you had traveled from the Milky Way to Andromeda, did you live already? Wow, nice of you. Expanding universe. Artists rendering the Big Bang. Worry Philip. Scientists study the origins or beginnings of the universe. These scientists are called cosmologists. They gather information to study deep space. They use the information to develop a theory or a big idea. They have a main theory about the origin of the universe. It's called the Big Bang Theory. The theory states that the universe began in a single moment. That happens about 14 or 50 billion years ago. A very powerful explosion creates all time and space. It creates all matter and energy. The Big Bang Theory also states that the universe is expanding. Conclusion. It's time for you to return your home on Earth. In your imaginary journey, you left the solar system. You visited stars, you zoomed across the Milky Way, you saw billions of galaxies. You even tried to understand our own universe. You can go back to your universe every night, just to look at the star, into the starry night sky. The light from the star will guide you. Your imagination will take you to the deep space. Deep space. Goodbye.